Do your Excel names look messy? Some in all caps, some in tiny letters, some mixed in like this? In a few minutes, I'll show you how to fix everything so it looks clean and professional, and how to save the results so they don't change. Hey friends, my name is Andreas, and I'm a full-time Excel teacher and best-selling Udemy instructor. Before we dive in, please join the Melon Training fam by subscribing and ringing that bell. We're looking at this player list with names in different styles. Our goal is simple. Make them all look the same. I'll show you 3 tools: upper, lower, and proper, and one small but important step to make the changes stick. Look at column B. Some names are in capitals, some in lowercase, and some are mixed. We'll create a helper column next to this table, use a simple formula to fix the case, copy it down, and for the rest of the names, then we'll replace the formulas with plain text. That last part will be important, so your sheet won't break later. In cell G3, type equal upper cell B3 and press enter. Upper changes every letter in that cell to a capital letter. To apply this to the whole list, drag the small square at the bottom right of G3 straight down. That fills the formula for each name. If you prefer, you can also double-click that small square and Excel will fill it down automatically as long as the column next to it has data. Right now, column G is full of formulas. If you change the original names, these will change too. If you want to lock the new uppercase names in place, select the fixed names in column G, copy them, and then right-click in the same spot and choose Paste Special. On Windows, you can simply press Ctrl+C to copy, and then Ctrl-Alt-V for Paste Special, then V. Enter. On a Mac, press Command+C, then Control+Command+V, then V, and enter. Once you paste his values, the formulas will disappear and you're left with plain text. If you want the original column to show the fixed names, copy the results from column G and paste them as values back into column B. Alright, now we can delete the helper column. If you need the names in lowercase instead, the idea is the same. In G3, type equal lower B3 in parentheses and press enter. Fill it down just like before. When you're happy with the result, copy that column and paste as values to keep it. To make names look like John Doe with only the first letter of each word capitalized, use the proper function. In G3, type equal proper B3 in parentheses and press enter. Fill it down. Good stuff. Again, copy and paste his values to save the results. If you like shortcuts, here are 2 that feel like magic. First, the fill handle. After you enter the formula in the first cell, double-click the little square in the corner to fill down instantly. Second, flash fill. Type the name once the way you want it. Say you type John Doe next to John Doe. Then press Ctrl+E or Command+E on a Mac. Excel looks at your example and fills the rest to match. This is great when the pattern is easy to guess. That's it. Upper for all caps, lower for all lowercase, proper for first letter caps. And don't forget to paste his values when you're done so your sheet stays stable. If this helped, give the video a like and subscribe for quick Excel fixes. See you in the next one.